Constraints on the implementation. The department shall, upon the recommendation of the Bureau, have the power to declare a moratorium on the issuance of licenses for commercial fishing vessels to operate in specified areas or areas in the Philippine water for a limited period of time if there are indications of overfishing brought about by a decrease in the volume and sizes of fish caught therein, or for conservation of specific fishery areas in Philippine waters. And aquaculture production areas shall be issued in accordance with this code. Such moratorium shall not exceed 5 years from the effectivity of these codes. What does it mean? It means that if there are indications of overfishing brought about by a decrease o pagbaba ng bilang ng nakukuhang mga isda, it means that the department, especially the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, or BFAR, have the power to declare a moratorium, temporaryong pagbabawal on the issuance of license for commercial fishing vessels to operate in the area in Philippine waters for a limited period of time. So these are the prohibitions and penalties. In Section 86, it is highly prohibited the unauthorized fishing or engaging in other unauthorized fisheries activities. In Section 87, it is highly prohibited the poaching in Philippine waters. Poaching means that it's similar to illegal fishing or hunting of endangered species in Philippine waters. In Section 88, it is highly prohibited of fishing using explosives such as dynamite, noxious or poisonous substance, and also using electricity. In Section 89, use of fine mesh net. In Section 90, the use of active gear in the municipal waters and bays and other fishery management areas. In Section 19, it is highly prohibited the ecological exploitation and exportation. It is also highly prohibited in Section 92 the ban of Moro Ami or other methods and gear destructive to coral reefs and other marine habitat. Moro Ami means it is a way of fishing that the divers are forcing and scaring the fish to go out of their corals and leave them into a net. And Section 93, illegal use of soprolites. It is highly prohibited in this code that the use of illegal soprolites. In Section 94, the conversion of mangroves. It is also highly prohibited in Section 95, the fishing in overfished area and during closed season. And same also in Section 96, the fishing in fishery reserves, refuges, and sanctuaries. In Section 97, fishing of taking of rare, threatened, and endangered species such as a whale or sharks. In Section 98, capture of sabalo and other breeders or spawners. In Section 99, exportation of breeders, spawners, eggs, and fry. In Section 100, the importation of exportation of fish or fishery species. In Section 101, the violation of catch ceilings. And last one, in Section 102, in aquatic pollution. Our next topic is the agricultural problems in the Philippines and or globally. The greatest threat to the sustainability of inland fishery resources were aquatic pollution, environmental degradation, destruction of fish habitats, water obstruction, and impacts on aquatic biodiversity are all increasing. This includes also the overfishing, the illegal and destructive fishing, the coastal and habitat degradation, siltation of pollution, the post-harvest losses, and the last one, the inefficient marketing.